Route to Reliability 2025, June 2nd to 5th, 2025, Chicago, Illinois. Hi everyone and welcome to Monitor Max channel where we bring the best brands in machine condition monitoring, reliability engineering, and career advancement through industry-specified certification courses. In today's video we are searching for the Reliability Champion Award winner. Do you work with someone who is making a measurable impact in your organization? Noria is sponsoring this prestigious industry award, and prizes to a deserving maintenance or reliability professional who meets at least one of the following criteria. 1. Implemented a significant reliability or maintenance program initiative that led to measurable improvements like reduced downtime, cost savings, increased equipment lifespan, or enhanced safety. 2. Has shown exceptional leadership in promoting a culture of reliability, mentoring team members, and advocating for best practices across their team or company. 3. Introduced innovative practices, tools, or technologies that positively influence maintenance and reliability efforts. The Reliability Champion Award recipient will be announced at the opening ceremony at the 27th Annual Reliable Plant Conference. The winner will receive the following prizes. 2 VIP passes to the 2025 Reliable Plant Conference and Exhibition, 1 seat to a noria certification prep training course, a cover story in Reliable Plant, a custom LinkedIn badge, and a Reliability Champion engraved trophy. Follow the link in the description to nominate your champion. Like, comment, subscribe, and share with friends and colleagues in the industry.